class we are going to see preparation of haloalkanes from alkene. Alkene means that is double bond in nature, carbon carbon double bond. Okay, so there are two types of alkene. One is symmetrical alkene and another one is unsymmetrical alkene. Okay, so symmetrical alkene means that is a symmetric. இப்போ மேம் இப்படி வச்சேன் அப்படின்னோன்னா we can get symmetric half half. Okay, for left hand side 2 carbons and right hand side 2 carbons, that is symmetric in our body like. Okay, right. So symmetrical alkene react with hydrogen halides like chlorine or bromine or iodine. There is normal addition reactions takes place. Here the double bond is cleaved, normal, this hydrogen go and attack this carbon atom and this chlorine go and attack this carbon atom. We can get alkene to alkane. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4 butene. We can get the butane. Okay, so that is alkene from haloalkane from alkene means the alkene react with normal hydrogen halides. Okay, so it gives the alkane. Okay, right. So unsymmetrical alkene. So this case unsymmetrical alkene, we have to use two rules, that is Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, the first one, suppose this is, you see that CH3 bond CH double bond CH2 plus the hydrogen halide like H plus Cl minus. Okay, so this reactions, this is unsymmetrical because double bond, the left hand 2 carbons present, here 1 carbon. So this is a unsymmetrical one. Okay, so it react with the hydrogen halides. So we can use Markovnikov rule. So what is Markovnikov rule? The negative part adds to the carbon having lesser number of hydrogen atom. So here the HCl, Cl is a negative part. This Cl go and attack the lesser number of hydrogen having the carbon atom. Okay, so this hydrogen attack this carbon, this bond is cleaved. Okay, so we can get CH3 bond C, then already hydrogen is present here, then this Cl come and attack this carbon, so Cl and bond, this bond is cleaved. So double bond break up, bond CH2, this hydrogen go and attack this carbon. Okay, that is hydrogen. So this is for Markovnikov rule. இப்போ இந்த மாதிரி unsymmetrical இது காம்பவுண்டில் ஹைட்ரஜன் குளோரைடு அல்கீனோட ஹைட்ரஜன் ஹாலைட்ஸ் ரியாக்ட் பண்ணும்போது நீங்கள் வந்து நமக்கு நார்மல் ஹைட்ரஜன் குளோரைடாக இருக்கலாம், ஹைட்ரஜன் புரோமைடாக இருக்கலாம், ஹைட்ரஜன் அயோடைடாக இருக்கலாம். we can use the Markovnikov rule. ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இதுக்கு ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ்க்கு வந்து நம்ம என்ன தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம்? Markovnikov ரூல் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். Markovnikov ரூல்ங்கிறது நெகட்டிவ் பார்ட் கோ அண்ட் அட்டாக் த லெஸ்ஸர் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஹைட்ரஜன் ஆட்டம், ஹைட்ரஜன் கண்டெய்னிங் கார்பன் ஆட்டம். ஓகே, இஸ் தட் கிளியர்? ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு the same unsymmetrical alkane, suppose maybe halides present HBr or HCl or hydrogen iodide, the presence of peroxide. So this is called peroxide effect or Karash effect. Okay, so this type of unsymmetrical alkene from haloalkane, we can use anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, so what is anti-Markovnikov rule? Negative part adds to the carbon having more number of hydrogen atom. Okay, suppose this is propene, no, CH3 bond CH double bond CH to propene with hydrogen halide like H plus Cl minus. Here when you find the arrow mark is present peroxide, hydrogen halide with peroxide, so we can use anti-Markovnikov rule. எப்போ நீ வந்து அன்சிமெட்ரிக்கலோட ஹைட்ரஜன் ஹாலைடு பெராக்சைடு அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம பார்க்கமோ அப்போ நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம்? anti-Markovnikov ரூலை யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் anti-Markovnikov ரூல்? நெகட்டிவ் பார்ட் கோ அண்ட் அட்டாக் த மோர் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஹைட்ரஜன் கண்டெய்னிங் கார்பன் ஆட்டம். ஸோ இந்த ஹாலஜன் வந்து இந்த ஹைட்ரஜன் இதில் லெஸ்ஸர் நம்பர், இதில் மோர் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஹைட்ரஜன் கண்டெய்னிங் ஹாலஜன் ஆட்டம். ஸோ CH3 bond CH, this hydrogen automatically come and joined here, this carbon atom. So CH, H and this double bond is cleaved and CH to Cl. Okay, So this is for alkene to alkane. Okay, here also propene to 2-chloropropane. So this also propene to, that is 1-chloropropane. Okay, so you see these two, which one is a major product? Okay, so whenever the reactivity series for alkyl halide is 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. So see here, this is for secondary alkyl halide, this is for primary alkyl halide. So compared to primary, secondary is a major one. Okay, so like that, suppose 1 mark questions will ask, you can do that. Okay, right, this is for, so overall symmetrical alkene from alkane, that is normal addition reactions takes place. Unsymmetrical, there is no peroxide, we can use Markovnikov rule. If you find the peroxide in this arrow mark, we can use anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, so here there are 2 questions. Okay, that is board questions. Listen here, that is H plus Br, this compound H plus Br. Okay, see here, this is carbon is present, here carbon is present. Okay, so here also carbon is present, and the bulk here benzene ring is present here. Okay, right, so H plus Br, there is no peroxide here. Okay, so we can use normal Markovnikov rule. இதில் நம்ம பெராக்சைடே இல்லை, ஸோ இதை நம்ம நார்மலாக வந்து என்னது unsymmetrical இதுக்கு Markovnikov rule யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். அப்போ இந்த நெகட்டிவ் addendum வந்து go and attack the lesser number of hydrogen containing this carbon atom. Okay, so carbon and already one hydrogen is present, and this negative part attack this carbon, this double bond cleave, and there is already 2 hydrogen is present, and another 1 more hydrogen is attack this carbon. Okay, this is your alkane compound. Okay, right, this is another one, CH3 CH2 bond CH double bond CH2. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 4 but 1 in. Okay, right, this is HBr, peroxide is present, so we can use anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, earlier there is no peroxide, use Markovnikov rule. Here peroxide is present, peroxide present ஆயிருந்தனாலே unsymmetricalக்கு நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும், alkeneக்கு anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, so anti-Markovnikov rule, negative part go and attack the more number of hydrogen containing carbon. Okay, and this hydrogen come and attack this carbon atom. So CH3 bond CH2 bond CH, already one hydrogen is come and join this here, so carbon atom. So CH2, this bond cleave, and CH2Br. Okay, this is for 1 2 3 4 bromo, 1 bromo butane. Okay, right, so this is preparation of alkanes from alkene. Okay, reaction. Okay, Finkelstein reaction for preparation of alkyl iodide. Okay, so iodoalkane can be obtained by treating bromo or chloroalkane with solution of sodium iodide in acetone. Okay, so here alkyl iodide, there is the alkyl iodide for chloroalkyl halide or bromoalkyl halide treated with sodium iodide in the presence of acetone. Here the acetone used for solvent, good solvent. Okay, so we can get alkyl iodide plus sodium halide, that is NaX, it gets precipitated. Okay, so we ஏன் இந்த reactionsல வந்து chlorine bromine எடுக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா easily it gets precipitated. For the reason only we can take alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide. Okay, right. So this is one example, CH3Cl plus NaI gives CH3I, that methyl iodide or iodomethane plus NaCl. NaCl it gets precipitated. Okay, next Schwarz reaction. Okay, Schwarz reactions, that is the preparation of alkyl fluoride. Okay, so first one alkyl iodide for Finkelstein reaction, next Schwarz reaction for the preparation of alkyl fluoride. Okay, so when alkyl chloride or bromide treated with metallic fluoride like AgF, silver fluoride, or mercury fluoride, Hg2F2, or antimony, SbF3, or cobalt fluoride, COF3. Okay, so alkyl fluoride and corresponding metal chloride bromide are produced. Okay, here that is CH3Br plus that is AgF treated with metallic fluoride. We can get alkyl fluoride, CH3F plus silver bromide. Silver bromide, it gets precipitated. Okay, so already this is two naming reactions. So this chapters from the naming reactions started. So each and daily you have to memory poem மாதிரி என்ன செஞ்சுட்டே இருக்கணும். டெய்லி வந்து நேமிங் ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ் வந்து regularly you can write, that is easy for you. Okay, already we done one naming reactions, that is Sandmeyer's reactions. Okay, right.